Hello. In this video, we will guide you through the process of creating a QR code for your business reviews. A business review QR code makes it easier for customers to leave feedback, helping you build credibility and attract more clients. Let's get started. First, log into your dashboard. Then click on the Create button at the top right corner of the page. You can either use the pre-designed business review template by clicking on Create using Template and searching for a business review template and customizing it, or go back to the home screen by clicking the All button at the top left corner. Then click Create and select Create Blank QR Code to start fresh. Now, enter your business details. Start by adding your business name, selecting the total number of stars, and specifying the minimum star rating required for redirection. If the selected number of stars is equal to or greater than the required threshold, you can choose where to redirect reviewers, either to Google Reviews or another review platform of your choice. Next, decide whether you want to enable the Show Final Review Link option, which allows users to preview their review submission before posting it. Then, select your business from the list. Now, click Next to go to the design page. Here, you can customize your QR code to match your brand. Start by adding a banner image and editing the favicon if needed. You can also enable meta attributes to enhance your business's online presence. Don't forget to set the QR code language to ensure it reaches your target audience effectively. In this step, you'll set up the review submission form. Add your business logo, define the page title, customize the placeholder text, modify the send button text, and configure the success message. To ensure a seamless and professional look that aligns with your branding style, take the time to customize the send button background color and the send button text color. Additionally, you can manage review recipient settings by specifying the recipient's name and email subject for notifications. Once you're satisfied with the setup, click Next and download your business review QR code in PNG or SVG format. Now, your QR code is ready to be shared with customers and displayed at your business location or within marketing materials. If you want to enhance your QR code design, you can go back to the design page by clicking the small QR code image at the top right corner. Here, you can change the QR code color using solid or gradient options. Choose an internal shape and select a frame style. You can also adjust the frame color and add your business logo. And that's it. You've successfully created a business review QR code. Now, your customers can easily leave feedback, helping you build a strong reputation and grow your business. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy gathering valuable customer reviews.